Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And wow, it must be nice being a member of the ANC elite, you know. You can do what you like and you're above the law. Look at how Jacob Zuma's somehow just allowed to roam the empty streets of Nkandla, despite the fact that he is in contempt of court. If that was an average citizen, he would be behind bars like that. And we have another example of what we're talking about here. And this time it is the Speaker of the National Assembly, Thandi Modise, who clearly on her farm allowed a large number of livestock to die because they had no water and no food. That's called animal cruelty. But according to the compromised judicial system, there was not enough evidence to convict her. Let me tell you the full story. Lobby group AfriForum privately prosecuted National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise on behalf of the NSPCA after carcasses of sheep, ducks and 50 pigs were found on her Modderfontein farm in the northwest in 2014. Yeah, 7 years ago. And what originally happened was a complaint was lodged with the National Prosecuting Authority, and they said, no, we're not going to deal with this. This Thandi Modise is too high up in the ANC. Just let it go. It doesn't matter. So, National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise has been acquitted on all 6 charges of animal neglect in the Potchefstroom Regional Court. Lobby group AfriForum privately prosecuted Modise on behalf of the NSPCA after carcasses of sheep, ducks and 50 pigs were found on her Modderfontein farm in 2014. Modise had denied any wrongful doing and pleaded not guilty to the charges. Now, I've got some older videos on my Loving Life channel where you can actually see the appalling state of the living conditions for those animals, and you can see carcasses all over the place, all over her farm. This is the complete contempt the rulers of the ANC have for animals, for livestock. You know, they're just so self-absorbed, noses so deep in the trough, stealing from the public purse. They don't care. They live these extraordinary lives where money is just pouring out of the sky. The NSPCA said it was disheartening that Modise had walked free after almost 7 years of pursuing justice for the animals that were subjected to heinous cruelty on her farm. Modise's lawyers on Thursday argued that there was insufficient evidence against her. On Friday, advocate Gerry Nel and AfriForum's legal team fiercely fought the application to dismiss, but it did not succeed. Now, before going any further, I should mention here that this is the woman who refused to appear in court. She's actually in contempt of court as well. But of course, once again, she's one of the ANC leadership, so she's above the law. Now, that happened about a year ago. She just said, no, I'm not going to go appear in court, despite actually being served and being told to appear before the courts. This is a corruption going through the judicial system in South Africa. The NSPCA maintained there was overwhelming evidence that animals suffered and died on Modise's farm. It appeared that animals were left unattended without food or water for several days. A vet, Dr. Samir Sabas, had testified about appalling conditions on the farm and stated that the animals who were still alive were just skin and bone. This is the Speaker of the National Assembly in South Africa. It's just quite disgusting. Please remember to subscribe to Loving Life to be kept informed. Please remember to register on lovinglifetv.com to be kept informed, and that's a platform we are transitioning to. Please like this video, please share this video, and above all, please stay safe. Bye for now.